Here's some Amistad Case trivia. Subscribe. What year did the Amistad Revolt occur? Is it A, 1861, B, 1825, C, 1847, or D, 1839? The correct answer is D, 1839. Which ocean was the Amistad ship crossing? Is it A, Arctic, B, Indian, C, Atlantic, or D, Pacific? The correct answer is C, Atlantic. Who led the revolt on the Amistad? Is it A, Nat Turner, B, Toussaint Louverture, C, Joseph Cinque, or D, John Brown? The correct answer is C, Joseph Cinque. What was the original destination of the captives from Africa? Is it A, Cuba, B, Haiti, C, Brazil, or D, United States? The correct answer is A, Cuba. In which U.S. state did the Amistad trial take place? Is it A, Connecticut, B, Virginia, C, New York, or D, Massachusetts? The correct answer is A, Connecticut. What was the outcome for the captives in 1841? Is it A, freed, B, escaped, C, sold, or D, executed? The correct answer is A, freed. Which U.S. president served during the trial? Is it A, Franklin Pierce, B, Martin Van Buren, C, James Madison, or D, Abraham Lincoln? The correct answer is B, Martin Van Buren. What year did the U.S. Supreme Court rule on the case? Is it A, 1841, B, 1837, C, 1825, or D, 1845? The correct answer is A, 1841. Which historical figure helped the captives legally? Is it A, George Washington, B, Thomas Jefferson, C, John Quincy Adams, or D, Abraham Lincoln? The correct answer is C, John Quincy Adams. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.